Ringkat ke jingtmu ban kentiu yaki Samla hak puli putih ke khat Saupra College Mairang hak arpusan tarik naitung arja arpusan kalapen ke buram yaki kena puli jongka kibla pendap yak kerdan graduation lingba ketika Islam kiba kentup yaki bala pas yak become honors but BA honors nadu usnam araja arpuar hado arja arpusan. Kini ki kena ki bala dan hado South Park kandai pusan ngut ki deiru ki so baar ki bakatai ke Islam kalayo ban sei menta ka kenti nadu bala sengyaka. Hakana kasi lawan banya don lang do Vijay Kumar Mantri IAS Commissioner but Secretary Ketanat Poli Putih Kumu Kongsan haringkat ke jinga don lang u Director ke Embos Shillong uba McDonald Marbanyang Kumu Sembut Kongsan kokong ibadani SEM Controller of Examination Nihu Shillong kum kesembut Kongsan nang ta u Dr. Boldness Lingdo Nong Principal ke Khat Saupra College Mairang ki wei ki blasha khot ngobha ki nohikai lambat ki Samla Puli. U Vijay Kumar Mantri hak jingkran jong u ulaong bahag jingem kindan bon ki bapen I Lynti yaki nadu ki kimi ki pa ki bapen I Lynti hayeng hasam kinong hikai hak puli puthi Henry Hadien ke graduation kin haban wat hi yala ke jong ka Lynti but wat la ka taru habaki dan ya ka nu ka Thong kin hapat ban pai khmat shaki bapen I ya ka Lynti khnang bakin la ban poi shaka Thong.
I am sure that very soon the government will take a decision about this funding for all the colleges which are not receiving any fund. But I must say this is one of the best colleges which are not receiving any fund. Because I have seen the enthusiasm, I have seen the meticulous planning in this convocation. Even though it's a second convocation, that the way you planned and it's really something I appreciate, I must appreciate. So this is an occasion for all of you to cherish, and also it's something I would like to advise all of you is that so far in your life, everyone, so far you've been guided. When you are at home, your parents guide you when to brush, when to eat, when to do what, and everything, when to drink water, everything they guide you. Even if especially for the girls, if they don't go to toilet also, the mothers tell you go to toilet because you are not being going to toilet. I have seen many times. Till class 10, it's everybody's same. It's one line. After class 10, you divert into 2-3 lines. One will take CBC, one will maths, one will take science, and then after that you will take little more different paths are open for you. But after this, it's open, totally open for you, and then totally clueless unless you clearly look for it. You have to find your own path. But that's more challenging, I feel, from now onwards. It's really challenging because nobody there to guide. Everybody will guide you in their own way, but there are 100,000 things that you can do. You can become a doctor, you can become an engineer, you can become an officer, you can become a politician, you can become anything, you can become a businessman, you can start a college, you can become a lecturer. There are 1,000 things that you can do. But for everything that you want to achieve, you must be definitely having a dream, but to achieve that dream, I don't think it's not easy to get a guidance. You really have to approach somebody and show that you are very sincere, perhaps then that person will guide you. Let's say you want to become civil service servant, you want to become an IAS officer, maybe. So then you approach somebody, then they will guide you. And then you start your journey. Now the journey starts. It's very struggle. So the more the ambition, the more hard work that you have to do.
Hakana kasi layo ban sam yaki sernot syakita ki Samla ki bla pas yaka graduation but kumjoru layo ban sam lang yaki tablet M-Tab syaki kena class 12 jong ketega college yaki bala ai lingba ka sarkar jella. Shu lapen ipo ipieng ya ketika program dagi surging rai ki jingshat na ki Samla Puli.
Hadien, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpunyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.